Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you a very easy and simple trick to do addition without using formula in Excel. So first of all you have to highlight the cells of the column you want to find the sum of using Control and Command button if you're using a Mac. So I want to find the total of column B, C and D. Normally what we tend to do is write like this formula and then bracket, and yeah, see, it's 4207.27. Instead of doing this, what I'm going to show you is Control Commands this, and you under the Home tab you have to find this symbol here and click on the drop down list and click Sum. Did you just see? It was very easy, wasn't it? That's all. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, follow for more videos like this and tips. Subscribe and follow for more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you. Bye-bye.